Have you ever seen videos like these?
Olha só minha bota tu nunca prestou atenção. Olha o bico do fuzil, vai tomar só rajadão.
I hope your answer to that question is yes, because I have published several videos exactly like that today. I'll be showing how you can also get thousands of views across all social media platforms by creating similar videos to these. Let's get right into it. Now, actually I did this on my phone, but I decided to transfer the project to PC so I can demonstrate you the length of the clips, the effects you can use, and most importantly, how you can get the players at the top of the screen. As you can see right here, we have Ronaldo, Rice, Roberto Carlos, and Lionel Messi. So let's start with the basics. First of all, you have to get the clips of your edits and decide what is the video going to be about. So in this case, I have decided the 10 out of 10 free kicks, a compilation of 4 free kicks, and I'm using the music Mente Ma. You can find it on YouTube and download it. Just don't forget to indicate that you are using the music in the YouTube shorts. Now, in order for someone not to steal your video, I would really suggest you make a watermark, and before you start editing the video, make sure you find this background. If you search in your local browser red and blue background, it should appear. Just download it. After that, you'll also need to get the 4 faces of your players. I like to add not only the faces, but something more specific about that goal. So for instance, Declan Rice scored this free kick against Real Madrid, right? So I went and searched for Rice in the Champions League Arsenal uniform. Not only the face, but you know exactly the kit that he played in when he scored the goal. Now let's get to the basics. The first cut of your video should be from 0 to 2 seconds, 2 seconds and a half. You really have to feel the music, but there might actually be an option. Yeah, you can auto mark the beats. And like this, you'll see the beats auto marked. You see guys, like that, you don't even have to listen to the music. You can just cut the videos on these beats. What I would suggest you do is go on and download a Ronaldo free kick and drag it to the end of the video. Keep in mind that I'm already doing this from a done project, so you'll have to do this from scratch. If you want me to make a video from me doing it from scratch, comment it down below and I'll do it. Now you can go through these cuts and simply click on split and it will split the video. Then you'll only need to replace it with other footage. For instance, let's do it. Roberto Carlos, replace, and you see it's as simple as that. You'll have the footage already pre-formatted for you. And you might ask yourselves, well, what is the size of the image? Because you see, it is not the normal size. So the scale that I use is 253% for the normal 16:9 ratio videos. Now, obviously, when you are creating the shorts, you must select the 9:16 ratio. So just quickly go through the length of all the clips. As you can see, the second clip is from 2.5 seconds to approximately 4 seconds, and you don't necessarily need to be editing the video to the beats. For instance, here I chose not to edit this beat because the goal was so good that I wanted it to run a bit longer, and I just edited it on the last beat. Now, this is the end of the first goal. So how do we get this skull animation? And I'll be only explaining this for the first part of the video, for the first goal. As I said, if you want me to make a full tutorial on this exact video or on similar ones, make sure you comment it down below. So first of all, when you reach the end of the goal, I want you to go till the end of the clip, select it, make sure this line is at the end of this clip and not at the start of this one. So literally just select the previous clip, and right here you'll have several options with split, delete, delete completely, add a marker, crop, and then right after crop and before transcript you'll have this weird option, and if you go on it, don't click it, just go on it, and you'll have freeze. Just select freeze, and as you can see, it just selects 3 seconds of freeze of this clip. Now what we can go ahead and do is drag this right to the 0.5 second mark. So for you to better understand this, let's just select the beat 2 and you have to drag it till the second beat. Why? Because then it will transition smoothly to the second goal. You can adjust this exactly like that. Keep in mind that if you aren't exactly on the beat, it's okay, no problem. But if you want to adjust it, the freeze will be in a different position already. So you'll have to go here and click on freeze again. So now that you have this freeze selected for approximately half a second, I want you to go ahead and download a skull emoji. Now this can be any skull, but I really suggest this skull. I highly suggest this skull because it is very popular and is mostly used now. Now once you have this skull selected, just drag it over the project, diminish the length of it so that it fits the half-second clip of the freeze, diminish it a bit, drag it to wherever you want, go to remove background, auto removal, or if you don't have auto removal, use the chroma key, auto removal, stroke, add some stroke, and here you have it. Although I suggest you don't add the stroke, but that is up to you. We'll just add it for now so you can see it better. The skull part is done. The next question is, how can you get this dark effect? Now, when I personally started to edit this type of videos, I couldn't find information anywhere, so eventually I found some TikTok videos explaining it, so I'll try to give you the format that I use. If we scroll up here, you'll see that I have added the shake effect. So the shake effect you can just find in effects and search for shake. For the shake effect, obviously we also need to place it exactly in the half-second frame. The speed that I use is 95 and strength is 5. For the black flash, let's use speed 95, strength 8, size 25 and twist 40. And then also I like to go to adjust, which you can find right here on the top corner of your screen. Adjustment, custom adjustment. I really like to add a auto adjust and add some brilliance, like 4 in this case, and vignette at 15. And vignette can be really important to give you that cinematic dark effect. Right guys, so now that we have the adjustments and the effects, there's still one more filter that you can add, and that is the filter called Humble. Now this will give you the exact black lightning that we need right here, and that is it for the lighting. The next step is to add these players, and that might be the most complicated step, and I'll explain why. See, the images that you download of the players' faces can be really different. For instance, this Ronaldo picture, I had to crop it so we can just see his shoulders and his face, and that means that you cannot add the same size. For instance, if we see Ronaldo's scale is 40 and the Rice's is 26, because Rice, I didn't have to crop him that much. Of course, you have the pre-made faces already, but those are really boring, so I don't really use them. But anyway, how can you get these players? As I said, just search on your local browser. For instance, Ronaldo face PNG 2018, or this is from Euro, I believe, Euro 2016. And it will get you some images. Now, what I do after is, let's for instance add this Ronaldo image again. So here we have it, we added it to the project. Go to remove the background again and auto removal. See, now you don't have that weird background. Let's go to crop and crop it to the shoulders. And now we just need to resize it, guys. Now we just need to resize it and add it right here at the top of the screen. And there it is, guys. Obviously you have to adjust it, get a bit higher, a bit lower, you know the deal. Let's just suppose that is lined up, okay? Also on PC, you have to be careful to where you put the effects. As you can see, the Ronaldo is not darkened, so you have to drag it under the effects. See, now it's completely fine. Repeat this process for all the players. And obviously, you also have to drag it under the green check marks. But how can you add these check marks? Again, go to your local browser, search for green checkmark. You'll find something like this. If you can get a PNG version, that is perfect. As you can see, if we add it to the project, it doesn't have any background. We just need to diminish it and add it to the video. I have a special tip for you that will help you make these videos perform even better by adding a slight quality effect. And that is fancy sharpen. You can find this in effects. It is really trending, so you can find it here in the trending. And the settings that I like to use for fancy sharpen are sharpen 30, glow 15, range 25, color and atmosphere 0, and filters from 45 to 55, depending on your preferences. So for instance, I'll diminish the filters, it will get lighter. I'll increase the filter, it will get a bit darker. That's completely up to you. And the last part is obviously adding this initial text. So I just use the system text for this video. So how you do that? Go to text, click on default text, and now write 10 out of 10 free kicks. We'll just delete the other one. 10 out of 10 free kicks, as you can see here. Add a slight stroke or shadow. For these ones, I like to add a stroke. And now we just need to diminish this. And here we have it, guys. 10 out of 10 free kicks. The only thing that you need to do now is get this 10 out of 10 free kicks text until the skull. So you see the skull appears and the text disappears, and then don't add the text again, just let the video run. Hey guys, that is it. As I said for the third time in this video, I can make a full tutorial on this. You just need to comment it down below. I hope this was useful. If it was, make sure you like and subscribe, and follow for more content like this. And also, we have just got ourselves the best possible offer, a partnership with one of the best brands of football kits in the world. You can check it out by clicking the affiliate link in the description and use code LatvianJR10 for 10% off. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.